All right, this is going to be the base video for how to read this thing. So first of all, I'll just tell you about the measures, just to kind of refresh your memory. So you have, this is in the 6/8 time, which means there's 6 beats. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, you know. So whenever there's a measure, it's going to be 6 of those beats. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, and so on. So whenever you have the notes, you just got to line it up with measures. So you're going to play F, F 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B flat, you know, and then you're going to keep going like that. And then like here, since this note is over the second one of these two things, each one of these is a 3 counts. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna play this on the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and you'll hear that. Next, I'm gonna talk about slashes versus rhythm. So if you see here, there's slashes, and each one of these accounts for 3 beats because this is 6/8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The slashes just means play the time, play groove, play your part, right? When there's rhythm like this, where there's a stem and all this and that, when it's an actual note, it means everyone needs to play this rhythm in here. So instead of like, you might be playing boom, boom, like just whole notes or something, but I'm going to be playing quarter notes and the drummer's going to be doing something different. So that's like what you were going to play for slashes. For this rhythm, everyone's going to be playing da 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 da. Everyone's going to be playing that rhythm. And so like here, these are hits right here. So it's going to be D 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ba 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 ba. Bum, bum. So whenever you have these notes, and it says hits right here, but that's going to be the rhythm that you play, and you'll hear that in the video. So next, I'm going to tell you about the diamonds. So every time you see a diamond like this, or you see like in the writing, it says diamonds or anything, it just means play whole notes. So instead of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like boom, 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 whatever, you're just gonna play whole notes. So it's I trust in doom, 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 doom. So you're just playing whole notes, and then this is the rhythm for because this is a note, right? Because these are notes. So this is the rhythm that we need to play, and since it's diamonds, it just means whole notes. And then this is the rhythm for here, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Okay, now I'm going to talk about your cues. So cues are found below the measure, and it'll have this little writing here. So it says bass out right here. That just means you cut out. Everyone's in for the intro because this is full groove. When that says full groove, it just means everyone's in. And then bass out, so you're cut out here. Then it says bass in, so you know to come in here. And then like you'll see full groove, so you're going to come in here, you're going to come in here. Whenever it says groove, light groove, full groove, that's when you're going to come in on the bass. And otherwise it'll just specify like bass in, like this. Then I'm going to talk about the kick pattern. So if you notice, sometimes when I have here, I have the kick pattern here. So this bottom note is the kick, and that's the snare. So it's going to be right? And so typically, not always, but I'll point out that typically you're going to match the bass rhythm with the kick drum rhythm. And so in the video, when I play this part, I'm going to play the bass notes on one of every measure. So 1, I trust in doom, 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 because that's when the kick drum is, and that's what I'm lining it up with. And so even when it's a more, let me look, when there's a more complicated rhythm like this, this is, I'm gonna line it up with that rhythm. So I trust in doom, or I trust in doom, 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 or doom, 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 I'm going to try to line it up with that. And you can even hear, you don't necessarily have to be able to read this. You can just listen for the kick drum and then try to match it up best you can. Like here. Dum, 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 dum. You know, and it doesn't have to be necessarily exactly like this. It can just be similar or follow some of it. But the goal is to try and match it up with the kick drum. All right, now I'm going to talk about these repeat signs that you might have seen. So this is a repeat sign. It has 2 dots in these lines right here. And so that's just going to mean that you're going to repeat whatever section it's on twice. So let me show you in this one. So in this one, where is it? So like right here, you have these 4 measures, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have a repeat sign here. So it means you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go back and play these again. And after you play them, you just move on and go to the next ones. So that happens quite a lot in this song. These 4 measures, it's actually 8 measures because you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to go back 1, 2, 3, 4, then you're going to move on. And this is 4 times the tag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just these are the same measures over and over again, so I didn't want to write them all out. I just repeated them. Then with repeats comes first and second endings. And so what that means is, so let's say there's a repeat here. So I'm going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to play the first ending. And there's a repeat here, which means I'm going to go back to here. So, but this is number 1 ending. So then you're going to see number 2 ending. The first time you play through it, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? And then you're going to go back and play here. The next time you play through it, this is the second time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then instead of going to the first ending, you go to the second ending. You skip that entirely. So you're going to go from here, what is this, 6, and then you're going to go 7, 8. And you'll hear me play that in the video, and you'll see it in the bottom. Okay, so that's first ending, first time. And the second time you go through it, you're going to skip that first ending, go straight to the second ending. Okay. And then slash chords. So for slash chords, they're going to look like this, with a note on the top and the note on the bottom. And what that means is you're going to play the the bottom note. So the top note is for the chord. That's for the piano, for the guitar. The bottom note is for the bass. So you're going to play D minor, B flat, A, G. And it can get kind of confusing like here when there's just a lot of notes going on. But it's actually pretty simple. It's just B flat, A in this rhythm. So D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B flat, A, B flat, A, B flat, A, G. Right. And so, I mean, you'll hear that in the video. So just want to let you know that whenever you have slash chords like this, you always play the bottom note and leave the top note. And then ties. So anytime a note is tied, there's a little curve like this. It just means that the 2 values of these notes are tied together. So instead of playing D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's just the same. You just carry it out, even though there's a bar right here. So D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B flat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dun, 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 dun. So you're gonna go, let me just do it a little better. I trust in that's what ties are. It mainly just ties up some of these notes. And then I just also wanted to point out there's a measure of 2/4 right here. Just be aware of that. It just means that this measure alone is 2/4, and then it returns 2/4/4. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of outline some of this so that you know what to expect. And just kind of how to navigate these things. I mean, it can look intimidating if you look at it like at first glance, but just follow these notes, follow the rhythms, watch the video, follow along, and I think you'll be great. Thanks.